Okay, so I think we all know that relation is what? Relation means table. Okay, so what table is what? Table is simply a two-dimensional representation of rows as well as columns. So what is this row and what is this column? Row is nothing, it is just the horizontal subset of the table. Its alternative name is a tuple. Next one is column. So column is nothing, it is the vertical subset of the table. The vertical subset of the table is known as a column and also known as an attribute or a field. These are two different names of a column. Column is also known as an attribute or a field, while row is known as a tuple. So let us check what is this relational database. Here we have a new term, that is relational database. Relational database is what? It is simply it's just combined, it's comprised of two different terms, that is relation and second is database. Relation means what? Table, and database, I think we all know that here data is stored in an organized manner. So when we combine these two definitions together, so from here we can say relational database is such a database where data is stored or organized in terms of table. Relational database is such a database where data is stored or organized into tables. That is simply a relational database. Clear? Relational database definition, from here we can find. Here data is organized into separate tables, or even here the definition is mentioned. So the database that stores data in separate tables, and these tables are what? These tables are related to the use of a common column. That means suppose we want to link two tables. Suppose we have two different tables. Here even you can find the example. Suppose student table is there. We want to link suppose this two table, participant and activity table. So if I want to link this two table, so the very first thing which I needed to seek is the common column. You can find here activity is there. Likewise, in activity table again we have activity. So these are the two columns by which we can link these two tables, that is participant as well as the activity. So this is meaning of relational database, simply a database in which data is stored in terms of table, and the data which is stored can be related to the use of a common column. Clear? So from this example I think it is clear that the common column over here is what? It is activity. So by this activity column we can link these two tables all together. Clear? Let us move to the very next definition. Okay, the very next definition is about keys. I think we all know what is a key, right? So keys are of three different types, like primary key is there, alternate key is there, candidate key is there, foreign key is there. So this is your homework. Tomorrow you guys are going to tell me difference between primary key, alternate key, candidate key as well as foreign key. Just do write this onto a page and then send this onto my WhatsApp number. Next topic we are going to deal in the next class. Thank you.